Hey, this is my first collector's edition unboxing review of the Sora Online Hello Wizard Nation collector's edition. Now, this is actually my first unboxing review of the collector's edition. I would have done a lot more, but it would actually mean that I didn't get a chance to do the rest of the unboxing review of the collector's edition, but so this is my first one. So in the front we have Kira and Asano and some of their old friends that I keep forgetting. The sides are actually the logo as well as the top, but you can clearly see but there's a disc there. Then at the back there is actually the game, the steel case, the art book, the mini posters, and the figures, as well as the CD. And now it's time to unbox it. But before I do this, I have to put a disclaimer on it. Be very careful of opening your collector's edition box with your knife, because if you don't not careful, you will. And please trust me on this one. On my behalf, will cut your thumbs. And so, let's begin. Put it right here to make sure it's safe. And you just have to say alright first. So here we go. And here it is. Let me just go ahead and get this out. Let me just start with the game. As you see, some of their friends with Kirito and Asano. This side and the back, and unboxing the disc. Here is the disc, which has Kirito and Asano. We get this, which has the mobile app, and you got a pamphlet of the anime games you can play, like Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2, God Eater 2. You get the game, and I keep forgetting what that is, so I'm sorry. And also you get the steel case, which has the Blu-ray of it, which has the disc, and this one is the Blu-ray of the special contents. And actually, this one has special contents, and this one has the same contents, but also a soundtrack. And also, you get the art book, which actually has a lot of arts of the characters and their location, including the voice actors and the creators of the anime. And also you get mini posters, which are, let me count them out. There we go. Let me just count them out. posters, which I'll put them in the office. So that's actually pretty good. And I'm actually, have to be honest, I like this collector's edition, and they are all great. And I have to be honest, I'm happy I bought my first collector's edition, and I am, well, so relieved I can do this with you guys, and I have to say, I'm very happy with it, and I have to say, this is pretty good, and I really think that if I get to do another collector's edition unboxing review, then that would be great. That would be great. And lastly, we have the figures of Kirito and Asuna. Here it is. Time to assemble them. I'm gonna put this with my. I'm gonna put these in my collection because they are really good. Because I now have a bookcase, so I can put my collector's edition into. Because I've been putting my my anime manga books and my figures on the book stand. So it would have been great, but I actually started to do all those things because I did keep my promise. I am doing my anime collection, and I'm going to show it to you guys. Let me move this out of the way. Like that. See how I put this here. There we go, and there we go. Here's Kirito. I mean, Asuna. And here is Kirito. I just ordered this from GameStop, and I actually got home. I saw the package, and I opened it, and there it is. I actually excited about the fact that they just came as they expected, and I'm actually happy that these just came out. So I'm very happy. Here is his sword hilts. sorry, sticks too long. There we go, and here are his swords. His sword handles are easy to attach itself. This is Luminaire. Sorry. Here is his, sorry. Let me just put this, let me put this Luminaire. Let me just put, it's left hand. Sorry, just there is the figures. I actually like the Luminaire and the Dark Wigless. I might do a unboxing review on them so I can show you what they actually like in the replica. And here is the Ruthless sword. I actually, to be honest, I see these two in the Man-at-Arms. Actually, this one from the first Man-at-Arms, and this one's from the Man-at-Arms Reforged. I was actually wondering if they can build this sword in real life, because I would actually see if they could complete the Sword Art Online build, because I actually think that they will actually. I think it would be actually great if they build it. So there it is. My first Collector's Edition unboxing review. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more, and comment what you think about this unboxing review. You guys can also follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Until then, this is EB Games Guy here saying signing out. Laters.